NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, is located in Karnal, Haryana, which is known all over the country for research on improving animal breed. Bharat Dairy Farm, with its 35 years of experience and taking directions from the National Dairy Research Institute, is constantly working on improving the breed of animals. In the Bharat Dairy Farm, buffaloes of Murrah breeds, HF and Sahiwal breeds cow are prepared and supplied all over India. We always have 60 to 70 animal for sale. Beware from agents. Buy your cattle directly from the farm with reasonable price and quality. Complete details of animals, medical certificates and all transport documents are prepared before being supplied from here. Only after that, animals are supplied. Along with this, we also provide consultancy to open dairy farms. For more information, call and WhatsApp 8168979783 97298 47257. Bharat Dairy Farm, one step towards quality.